video and sounding a warning, because I see that many of you in this channel, many of you that have been following our channel, watching the videos we've been creating, watching the the tutorials, the classes, the expo questions and all the rest we have been giving, many of you are really serious. Many of you are giving it your best. Many of you are trying. But then I see a big challenge, and that is what I want to point out in this very video. I see that many of us are so desperate, and there are scammers ready to take advantage of your desperation. You want to really pass, you want to pass, you are giving it your all. You have probably gotten the past questions that I gave you. You have probably started reading with your past question and the syllables that I gave out. By the way, if I have not given you free past question and free syllables, let me know so that I can give them also to you. I've given it to hundreds of you in this channel. But then I see that some people are out to take advantage of JAMB candidates. This video is not for every JAMB candidate. This video is specifically for those that wants to make 300 and above. If you want to make 300 and above, you are the ones I'm talking to, because those are the ones we are focused on in our channel, Noble Tutorials. If you just want to write your JAMB and get any kind of grade, this video is not for you. Our channel is not for you. My focus is on those of you that really want to make yourself proud, those of you that want to come back with a testimony. Now, the scam I'm seeing is, I see people moving around creating WhatsApp groups and telling you that the essence of the WhatsApp group is to, number one, there are many. One is to leak the JAMB question before the day. I want to disabuse your mind. It is possible to get high scores in your JAMB exam, but let no one fool you. I am the one telling you this. Let no one fool you that there are 100% sure of the exact question that will come out. Let nobody fool you. Let nobody make you not to continue your study, because they will tell you they work in JAMB office in Lagos, they work in JAMB office in Abuja, they have their uncle working in JAMB, and they are selling expo questions, JAMB question. The truth is, you don't even know the JAMB question that will be your own, because there are types. For instance, we are writing use of English. There is type A, there is type B, there is type C. You don't even know the type that they will give you. If you are writing chemistry, there is type A, type B, type C, and all the rest. If you are writing economics, there are different variations. So you can sit in the hall with somebody writing chemistry, you're also writing chemistry, and the person is writing a different type. You may be writing type B, while the person also writing the same chemistry, the same subject with you, is writing a different type. So an entirely different set of questions. That's why I need you to be careful. I need you to be careful. Anyone telling you that they have seen the question ahead of time, and for you to pay 10,000, 15,000, because you are desperate. I have seen people joining such groups. I see people raising money, already paying money for runs. There is absolutely nothing like JAMB runs. Those things can be done maybe in WAEC and NECO, and with time it will stop, because WAEC and NECO will soon become also computer based. Because JAMB is computer based, most of those things are not accommodated in JAMB exam. I am saying this so that you return to your studies, return to the videos I've done. I've been giving you tutorials, classes, expected questions on these subjects. I've brought out my time. Like in use of English, we have done over 25 videos. In the JAMB novel, we have done close to 50 videos. In chemistry, I've done several videos, several classes. And if you need me to give you the link to all those videos, I can give them to you free, so that you begin now to get yourself ready, get yourself set. I see these scammers everywhere, and I don't want any member, any subscriber, any member of this YouTube channel to be a victim. There is nothing like JAMB runs. Anybody promising you that they have seen the question, that when you pay 15,000, 10,000, or when you join a special Telegram group, special WhatsApp group that they will leak it to you. It doesn't happen. Even if you get your hands on any question, you don't yet know the type that will be given to you. Do you understand? I hope I am clear. I've told you what you need now is special preparation. The second scam that will soon happen, it has not started happening, but I'm warning you ahead of time, is after JAMB releases JAMB result by April, the next thing you will start hearing is people coming to say if you want them to increase your JAMB score. For instance, maybe you want to go for nursing and you know that you need, say, 350 or 320 or so for your admission, and they now say pay a special amount and they will increase your score from 250 to 360, or they will increase your score to they will have a way to manipulate your score to increase. That is a lie. It is scam. They will soon create Telegram groups, WhatsApp group, tell you to call one Adamu or Sabiu in Lagos. I know them all. In Lagos or in Abuja, then they will send a phone number, you will call, and these are manipulations that are not real. These people are preying on your desperation. Last year it was 1 something million persons that registered. This year also 2 something million persons registered for JAMB. There will be high competition. There will be real competition for admission, and because of that, a lot of scammers will come out to scam you. There is even scam in WAEC, scam in NECO. There is now scam in JAMB. I need you to be serious. I need you to be aware of this. Others may fall victim, but those of you here in Noble Tutorials YouTube channel, you should not be a victim. If you have been following the videos I've been making, you will know by now that our method of succeeding is study, preparing. That is why I am giving you access to the videos. If you need me to give you access to all the videos I've done on the JAMB novel, tell me, both expected questions and all the rest. You need me to give you access to all the videos I've done on use of English, tell me. I can give you these videos free. You watch them over and over and over and over again. Get yourself ready for the exam. That is the best preparation. That is the sure way. That is the best. Once you write and pass, no going back. If you write and fail, there's almost nobody can help you except if you write exam next year. So let's not joke. Let nobody manipulate your intelligence. If they have told you that your uncle, your auntie have told you they will increase your result when they pay 100,000 or so somewhere to somebody in Lagos or Abuja, please get back to your books. Talk to your neighbor. Comment under this video. Tell everybody. Encourage everybody. Drop a comment. Encourage our people. Tell everybody to get back to reading. I already see what is happening. I already see what will happen when JAMB result is released. Let us all get back to reading. If there's any subject you need me to give you the videos we have done, let me know. If you want past question syllables, you just join our YouTube channel and subscribe. Once you join our YouTube channel and subscribe, then come under the comment of the video, type I have subscribed. I will chat you up and send you those materials. Even if others fall into the hands of scammers, you watching this video should not fall into the hands of scammers. I want to declare you will gain admission this year. You will not fall into the hands of scammers. Your JAMB score will be 300 and above. If you claim it, type I claim it in the comment section. Remember, join our YouTube channel, subscribe to this channel, then like this video, share this video. Once you have done these things, come under the comment and type I have subscribed. Then I will chat you up and send you the materials so that you can become much more serious in your preparations. There is a video I'm leaving for you on the screen, very important. Click on it and watch now.